Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Ceratosaurus in the Isle. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Each dinosaur has its own unique way of surviving. Open your dinosaur status by pressing Tab on your keyboard. From here, you can see the preferred food for Ceratosaurus. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, you can match it with nearby food sources that suit your dinosaur's diet. You can also use your scent ability to track key points on the map by holding Q. If you see this icon, it's called a migration zone. This is where increased food sources for herbivores are located. Migration zones are useful for Ceratosaurus because you can pressure herbivores and defend carcasses effectively. Cerato is a durable mid-tier carnivore that excels in sustained fights and carcass control. Cerato is not the fastest, but it has strong bite force and good durability for its size. Use this information to survive as a baby Ceratosaurus and grow into an adult. And that's how to play Ceratosaurus in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.